Prepare to be surprised. Google Cloud's latest strategy might just change the face of the cloud computing wars, but not everyone will agree with their approach. Here's the scoop on how Google is betting big on artificial intelligence to leapfrog its competition, and why this move is stirring up both excitement and debate in the tech industry. At a top technology conference earlier this week, Thomas Kurian, CEO of Google Cloud, laid out Google's playbook. Google is ramping up its cloud business by investing heavily in homegrown AI advances, something that sets them apart from simply repackaging third-party solutions. According to Kurian, Alphabet, Google's parent company, has spent years pioneering its own AI chips, software agents, and advanced data security tools. We made these investments long before others saw the potential, he emphasized at Goldman Sachs' Communicopia event. And this inside track, Kurian says, is paying off. Customers now see real product differences that are expanding Google's reach and fueling impressive growth in both revenue and profits. In the latest quarter, Google Cloud pulled in revenue of $13.62 billion, a 32% jump over last year, and notably ahead of Wall Street's predictions. What's driving this surge? The booming demand for AI-powered workloads, from model training to deploying cutting-edge AI apps, is a major factor. Let's talk about the money. Under Kurian's leadership, Google Cloud's profits have skyrocketed. The most recent quarter saw operating income soar 141% year-over-year to a whopping $2.83 billion. But Kurian insists we're only at the beginning of AI's transformative impact. We're only scratching the surface. More customers are coming on board for the first time, while existing clients are deepening their partnerships with us. This is boosting our backlog, which now stands at a staggering $106 billion, and strengthening our operating margins and future outlook, Kurian explained. And here's the part most people miss. Google's AI ambitions go far beyond general-purpose models. Their Gemini AI models are being tailored to serve industries ranging from financial services to pharmaceuticals. Kurian highlighted growing demand from 4 main customer segments, including 9 of the world's top 10 AI labs, established enterprises venturing into AI, capital markets shifting from classic computing to AI-driven analysis, and those pushing the boundaries of high-performance computing. There's still debate among experts. Can Google truly out-innovate entrenched rivals like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure? Or will its heavy focus on AI just create another arms race? Kurian believes companies are unlocking significant value from Google's AI solutions in diverse ways, developing new digital products, overhauling customer service, streamlining back-office operations, and, here's a hot innovation, helping IT teams write and refine software code faster and more accurately. Google's commitment to AI isn't just in talk, it's also showing up in its spending. The company expects to pour $85 billion into capital expenditures in 2025, a figure up 62%, with much of it earmarked for beefing up their AI infrastructure, particularly powerful servers and custom-designed hardware. Since taking the helm of Google Cloud at the end of 2018, after a long tenure at Oracle, Thomas Kurian has sought to move beyond Google's traditional tech clientele. His mission? Win over traditional enterprises with sophisticated cloud-based analytics and AI tools, and it seems to be working. Recent deals with AI superstars like OpenAI and Meta are providing fresh momentum. And as more organizations search for alternatives to NVIDIA's dominant AI chips, Google is keen to ramp up sales of its in-house TPU accelerators, a move that could reshape the hardware landscape. Of course, not everyone is convinced this is a slam dunk. Some critics argue Google, despite its technology, is still chasing rather than leading the cloud market. Others counter that landing major clients and doubling down on AI could finally give Google the edge it needs. What's your take? On the stock front, Alphabet shares have rebounded impressively, up 1.7% during the trading day and climbing 25% so far this year after a slower start. And with a very strong composite rating of 98 out of 99, Google's health in the market looks robust. Its accumulation distribution rating sits at A-, indicating big investors are eagerly snapping up shares. And here's where controversy heats up. In March, Alphabet shook up the cloud security scene by announcing a massive, all-cash, $32 billion buyout of fast-growing cybersecurity firm Wiz. Some market watchers applaud this as an aggressive growth tactic, while others warn of integration risks and culture clashes. As the AI and cloud computing landscape continues to evolve, one thing is clear. Google is betting more than ever that its blend of unique AI technology and bold investments will finally make it a dominant force. But will it be enough to unseat the likes of Amazon and Microsoft? Or will Google's AI-centric vision encounter unexpected hurdles along the way? Now it's your turn. Do you believe Google's strategy will pay off, or do you see bigger challenges ahead? Which company do you think will emerge as the long-term winner in the AI-powered cloud race? And why? Join the conversation below and let us know your perspective.